went out, I filled in a lead, put in all the information, pictures of the car, all the information they need to give me an instant cash offer. And the dealerships really wanted the vehicle. And guess what they were doing? They were calling me, well, when can you bring it in? Okay, we want it. Because what you have to understand is a lot of the times I end up getting more than what the instant cash offer number is. Sometimes, no, there's times where I've had, I've gone to the dealership, they've offered me one number. Then when I take it to them, they say, you know what, this is wrong with it. We'll give you this amount. So after you fill out the Kelley Blue Book though, okay, there's other places that will want to potentially buy your car other than the Kelley Blue Book instant cash offer. Okay, because remember what we're doing is we're trying to find the buyer, right? Who's willing to give us the most amount of money for the vehicle? If you don't want to deal with selling it private party, then find a dealership that would likely sell that car in their inventory, somebody that wants the car, and find that person. The more people you reach out to and you call, the better.